Kapit na ng mahigpit sa travel ni Awel.
Masaya nagpapatuloy po ang travel ni Awel with yours truly, the ever laughable, the ever lovable, Papa Awel Paz. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagme-mensahe. Sorry ha, hindi ko po mabati yung iba, yung mga nasa Canada, sa Switzerland, meron din po sa Dubai, Malaysia, Vietnam. Thank you very much po. At marami nga daw po talaga magagandang lugar dito sa Pilipinas na puntahan, lalo na po sa Visita Iglesia, yung mga lumang simbahan. Ang dami na po nating napasyalan. Baka naman po dun sa iba na ang bucket list ay makapunta mismo sa Italia, lalo na po ang Jubilee Year at yung Holy Door ay binubuksan lang every 25 years. Ito na po yung pagkakataon ninyo. Marami na po nagtatanong kanina pa, and we're so excited to introduce to you our special guest from Journeys of Faith na magbabahagi sa atin paano po kayo na nanonood ngayon sa Pilipinas man o sa ibang panig ng mundo ay makakasama po sa kanilang pilgrimage papuntang Roma, Italia, para naman ma-experience din po natin makapunta sa St. Peter's Basilica at sa iba pang mga lugar. Please welcome on Travel ni Awel, Miss Arlina Onglao and Miss Zara Onglao. Welcome po sa Travel ni Awel. Welcome back, Miss Arlina.
It's nice to see you again.
It's a blessing to have you on the show. Ayan. And Miss Zara Onglao, of course.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you for having us again, Papa A.
Nakaka-excite na makita po muli kayo dahil I'm sure very timely at relevant itong pag-uusapan po natin. Dahil doon po sa mga can afford naman po dyan o mga nakapag-ipon na pwedeng ibigay as gift, kunwari sa parents o yung mga couple goals po na makapunta. Ito po yung pagkakataon natin. Marami silang pilgrimage na ginagawa taon-taon. Pero pag-usapan muna po natin yung Holy Door, yung Jubilee Year sa Rome, Italy. Miss Arlina Onglao, paano niyo po nabuo po itong package po ninyo? At ano po yung kasama sa package niyo para maka-join din po sa Journeys of Faith niya?
Maraming mga lugar na magandang i-combine sa Roma. No? Like itong gagawin namin itong October 26 to November 4. Actually, na-inspire ito nung merong nagtanong sa amin ng mga doktor kami, usually wala kaming time masyado lumabas. So, they wanted like 9 to 10 days lamang. So then, nung sinabi yan sa akin ng husband ko, dahil kaibigan yan, ay naanak niya yung doktora, sabi ko, oo nga, sige, gagawa tayo niyan. Yung time ng undas, na maraming holiday.
Yes.
Yes, so that's a perfect time. So, gumawa kami ng Roma, tapos sabi ko, combine natin yan sa Southern Italy. Kasi ang Southern Italy, marami ding lugar dyan na napakaganda. In fact, maganda rin ang Sicily. Kaya lang ang ano ko, pag sinamahan pa natin ang Sicily, masyado nang mahaba. So, tama na yung Southern Italy, which is very interesting by itself. So, ginawa namin yan. Actually, marami kaming trips this year na merong Jubilee Doors. Lagi like mga Maria namin hanggang Roma, puro Jubilee Doors yan. So, maraming mga ganyan kaming choices. Although itong focus natin sa October ay ginawa namin yan because it's a short. Normally yan when we do a Marian pilgrimage, mahina ang 15 days, 16 hanggang 18 days, even 20 days, no?
Yes.
Kasi ang layo naman yung Fatima hanggang Italy.
Tama po.
Yung mga nagre-request ng maiikli lang, sabi ko mag-focus tayo dun sa mga malalapit na sites na napakaganda din.
Tama naman po.
So, ginawa namin yan. 10 days lang, kasama na pati travel time, diba? You lose 1 day going, 1 day coming.
Opo.
So, ang una namin syempre pupuntahan ay ang very popular na Padre Pio. Of course, is a healing saint also. So, dun sa pinag-uusapan niyo earlier, very relevant siya. So, Padre Pio is also the way to go. And we also would like to let the people go and see the veil of Veronica, they call in Manopelo. That's where they have the holy face of Jesus. So, dadaanan yan, diba? Kasi from Rome, dinadaanan yan. So, aside from that, pupunta rin, dadalhin din namin ang mga pilgrims sa lugar na Alberobello. Kung yung mga nakapunta na ng Cappadocia sa Turkey, nakita nila yung terrain ng lupa, ang Alberobello is something similar, although man-made ang mga bahay dyan. If you Google that, you will see na, it's a very interesting place to go. I mean, very charming. I always fell in love with that place every time I would go there. But aside from that, nearby you will find a place called Matera. Ang Matera, that's the place where they filmed the Passion of the Christ. Kaya that's very very important also, diba? So from there, papunta naman sa lugar ng Herculaneum, which is like Pompeii. Okay? So maganda rin yan because diyan mo makikita yung mga ruins of the past that they will prove to you that there was really, our Christianity was really alive even then. And there's truth to our faith. And of course, dadaanan din yan yung Saint, ano ba itong para? Samuniano de Cardinale? Santa Filomena. Very popular si Santa Filomena. Miracle Saint kasi yan eh. And then since dadaan ka na rin doon, dumaan ka na sa Monte Cassino. That's a Benedictine Abbey that has very beautiful treasures of the church. So, diyan kasi ang libingan ni Saint Scholastica at Saint Benedict. Okay. And then from there, you will do all the at least the 4 basilicas in Rome at the end. So after that, naka-10 araw ka na. So it's just as short as that, but still it's full packed with all the important sites in between.
Opo. Beautiful. Alam nyo po, isa lang po yung tanong ko, complete package na po din yung binigay po ni Miss Arlina Onglao. Parang yung pilgrimage nyo po, it comes in a beautiful package, kompleto na. Isang tanong ko lang, kompleto na rin po yung episode po natin, di ba po? Nakakatuwa, nasabi na po agad lahat ni Miss Arlina Onglao. Pero sabi nyo po, yung parang highlights niyan, yung 4 basilicas in Roma, Italia. Saan-saan po yun? Tsaka ano po yung activities na pwedeng gawin doon? Kasi parang yun yung wish list ng karamihan na ibigay na po kagad ni Miss Arlina yung mga side trips. Since nasa Italia na nga rin po, meron na rin po talaga po mapupuntahan na sa Southern Italy. Pero ang importante po doon, yung 4 basilicas. No po. So ano po yung package po doon at ano po yung makikita po sa Roma, Italia?
Okay, yung mga 4 basilicas that we are going to take the pilgrims to, the main basilicas are St. Paul outside the walls. Diyan mo makikita sa bawat, merong doon sa taas ng simbahan, meron diyang I don't know if you, what do you call that? Is that a fresco or something of the popes throughout history? So there are 266 popes now with Pope Francis, right? So that place I will always remember because of the faces of the popes. They're all around the church. They, And aside from St. Paul outside the walls, we're going to bring them to St. John in the Lateran. Right beside St. John in the Lateran is Cala Santa. Yung sinasabing stairs, then the time of Jesus, nung inakyat ni Jesus yon. Okay? So, right across na yan. And then, next will be Santa Maria Maggiore because that's where you have the yung wood where Jesus was born, diba? That's where they preserved it. Kung saan siya pinanganak sa Bethlehem. So, Santa Maria Maggiore. And then, of course, St. Peter in the Vatican. St. Peter's Basilica in the Vatican. So, those are the 4 churches na mabibisita nila. And aside from that, we are giving away a certificate that the people have really gone there. Okay? It looks like this.
Ayan.
Okay. Ito po kasi giveaway namin. Ginagawa po namin ito for you, personal, with your name. With your name there.
Opo. So, pag sumama po dun sa pilgrimage po ninyo, lalo na sa pagbisita sa St. Peter's Basilica, kasi di ba po, syempre, bumibili ka ng mga remembrance, mga souvenirs, rosary, pero ito parang certificate po siya na nakabisita ka talaga doon sa, sa Holy Door, sa Jubilee Door, sa St. Peter's Basilica. Kayo lang po ba po sa Journeys of Faith yan, Ms. Zara Onglao, ang gumagawa niyan, or meron din pong iba po?
Actually, Papa Awal, hindi. This is coming really from the sa Vatican mismo. Meron po talagang inibigay. Pero syempre, binabayaran siya. Pero
Yes.
if you join our pilgrimages, then bibigyan po namin sa inyo to as part of your pilgrimage Jubilee experience.
Kasama na po yan.
Yes. So
Oo.
talagang ano po to mismo sa Vatican po.
Opo. Ang certificate na yan ay galing po mismo sa Vatican.
Yes,
Doon
yes.
lang po makukuha, exclusive, binibili po yun. Kasi syempre may printing cost po yan, may design, pero it's a great souvenir na rin po. Tsaka parang blessed na blessed ka sa buong buhay mo, nakalagay yan sa iyong wall na nakarating ka sa St. Peter's Basilica, naka-join ka dun sa pilgrimage at nakapasok ka dun sa Holy Door, 'di ba po, yun. So syempre marami pong interesado, ang dami nang nagtatanong dito. Unang-una po, ang cute po nung napansin po ni Miss Teresita Atienza. Wow, mukhang mga puro senior citizens daw po yung nakasama po doon sa tour ninyo. Paano po ba, but do you welcome naman everyone, Miss Zara, sa tour?
Yes,
Oo.
of course. You
Oo.
welcome any age.
Yes.
Kahit po 2-year-old, pwede po yan isama sa pilgrimage. And majority nga po, yes. Tama naman po yung napansin nyo, maraming senior. But actually, the seniors, they are also with their families.
Yes.
So they are with their children,
Yes.
with their husband or apo. So yes, pilgrimage is open at any age. And dadagdag ko lang, Papa
Yes.
Awela, one of the unique experience ngayon as a Jubilee year sa St. Peter's Basilica is pilgrims will actually get to do a pilgrimage across the square,
Yes.
holding a cross.
Yun
Na
nga.
nagpapalend po ang Vatican so that you can pray the Jubilee prayer and do your
Correct.
rosary while you're doing the
Opo.
procession. Parang nakpo-procession po sila.
Correct.
So that is only allowed during the Jubilee year.
Correct. Oo.
Yun.
Siguro po sa marami po, ayan, pinapakita natin yung mga pictures saka
yes, and
videos ng
videos,
experience na po nung mga nakarating na po doon sa St. Peter's Basilica para po doon sa Jubilee year at pagpasok po ng Jubilee Door. Tama po, may mga napanood ako na may pre-registration po kasi yaan. Hindi po basta pupunta na lang kayo doon. Tapos magwo-walk-in kayo na parang simbahan po dito sa Pilipinas na, ay gusto ko magsimba, papasok ako sa simbahan. Hindi po, dahil meron siyang pre-registration na ginagawa na rin po ng Journeys of Faith.
Yes.
Tama? Dahil pagdating nyo po doon, unique experience po talaga na may cross po kayo, yung Jubilee Cross, na ipapasa-pasa ninyo, nagro-rosary kayo, papasok doon sa simbahan ng Basilica. At di ba bukod doon, Miss Zara, meron din pong, dadaanan niyo po ba po yung museum, yung Sistine Chapel? Ano po yung mangyayari pag nakapasok na po doon sa St. Peter's Basilica?
Actually, depende rin po sa programs.
Yes.
So, sometimes po kasama po doon yung Vatican Museum, Sistine
Tama.
Chapel. But right now din po, because nga of Jubilee year, there's just so many people.
Tama.
So many people in Rome. So, we really want for the pilgrims na ma-experience na yung doors. Kasi sa amin non-negotiable ngayon na makapunta po sila dun sa Holy Door. So yun po talagang inuuna namin. And like what you said po, pre-registration is needed. So talagang binibase namin na dapat makapasok sila and magawa po nila yung procession. So yun po yung special activities ngayon.
Opo, ito pinapakita natin ngayon tong video ng mga pilgrims din po ng Journeys of Faith na nakasama. Pwede po ba po natin ma-share? Kasi nakaka-excite parang sa mga nanonood sa atin kahit dito sa Pilipinas, sa ibang panig. Uy, I want that. I want to experience that. Ano po yung nangyayari po sa prosesyon at may mga kandila po?
So, ito pong nakikita nyo po sa video ngayon, this is actually in Fatima, Portugal. So, Our Lady of Fatima. And tuwing gabi po yan, walang everyday, whether winter, summer, meron pong procession yan. And you will bring yon, mag-rosary po kayo, and then you will walk along the shrine with the Blessed Mother and magko-procession and magdadasal po kayo. So, yan po yung nakikita nilang yun sa video. Makikita nyo po talagang maraming tao yan kahit malamig or ano po talagang meron po yan araw-araw. So, that's the Fatima procession po.
Opo. Ito yung sinasabi ni Miss Arlene Onglaw kanina na pwede po rin yung Marian Pilgrimage na kagaya nga po ito sa Fatima kung saan po, nandyan po yung apparition site, dyan din po ginagawa yung misa, yung mga naglalakad ng paluhod. Tapos pwede na pong isegue pumunta doon sa Jubilee Door sa Roma, Italia. Di ba po? Since nasabi na rin po ulit ni Miss Zara Onglaw yung inyong Marian Pilgrimage, ano naman po, kunwari po, kasi kanya senior natin yung itong October, di ba? Yung short lang po, kasi busy people, pwede, may chance pa silang sumama dahil ito yung bakasyon na mahaba. Eh yung Kung Marian naman mas mahaba, may mga upcoming pa po ba po kayo na pwede rin pong samahan kung hindi po makasama dito sa October 26 to November 4 ninyo?
Yes, marami po kami. We already started last March. I think in February. February, you had a big group that went from Fatima to Italy, to Rome. And then in March, we had, and then we every month thereafter, we have groups that are leaving, doing the Marian pilgrimage. And so, these are the people who have more time to spare, like 15 to 18 days they can leave, and usually they want to make the most out of their Schengen visa, kasi minsan mahirap talaga kumuha ng Schengen visa. So meron mga iba dyan, ang binibigyan na Schengen visa are 2 years to 5 years. Minsan naghahabol sila, they just want to make use of it. Kaya kahit ano, inuulit din nila. Although aside from that, marami kaming ibang trips na medyo kakaiba. Alright, so we have like a trip to Africa.
Wow.
Okay, so it's the first time we're really doing it in this manner, because we are actually timing it with the ordination of African priests or priests in Tanzania. And so we have Bishop Athanasius Schneider, who's going to be with that, who's going to do the ordination. He'll be there. So we prepare the program around that. So we're bringing the group from Tanzania to Kenya to Uganda and to Rwanda. And in Uganda and Rwanda, we're also looking at the religious sites there, yung mga martyrs of Uganda. And also in Rwanda, there are the apparitions of Rwanda. So very interesting siya. Yan. Plus, of course, we also have Mexico. Our Mexico.
Ay, bukod po doon sa Mexico, yung Africa muna. Kasi parang kakaiba po ito eh. Siyempre, parang ang iniisip ng mga tao, Africa, may mga Katoliko po ba po doon? Tapos lalo ang grupo nyo, Journeys of Faith. Tapos parang milestone at historic na ma-witness ng mga Filipinos, yung mga priests na i-ordain po doon. Yung Africa po ba, palagi yung ginagawa na? Bukod yun, kasi yung sabi nyo, special yan.
It's a special
Paparating pa lang
trip.
po ito.
It's a special trip.
Ayan, so paano po kunwari? Kasi baka maraming mga Filipinos, for example, na nasa Africa na nanonood ngayon.
They can join.
Yun, tsaka yung mga kamag-anak na nila nasa Pilipinas, baka it's time for them to visit their relatives naman sa Africa. Paano po mag-join po dun sa African pilgrimage po ninyo in time for the ordination?
Okay. You could always call our office and we can give you the information. You look for Abby Garcia. She's the girl. She's our staff who's in charge of Africa. So,
later ulitin po natin yan. Pero meron na po ba kayong idea? Kasi eto na nga po, may mga from Emerson niya from Canada, yung kamag-anak niya daw po, interesado rin daw po. Parang 2-in-1 na po siya. May African tour ka na, meron ka pang pilgrimage at may safari. Ganon.
Very unique yan. Walang gumagawa niyan.
Parang
combination.
passing po. Ano po yung kasama sa package po ng Africa?
Okay. So, we have the safari, the 5, they call that big 5. Those animals, you're gonna stay in the lodges and they'll be roaming around. So that's part of the safari experience. And then aside from that, we are like going to bring you to the yung equator ba, yung you're at the equator line na doon makikita yung parang you're at the middle of the equator.
Nakatungtong ka pa mismo doon sa equator na nagdi-divide sa northern at southern hemisphere.
And then also the martyrs of Uganda. Kasi marami diyang martyrs pinatay nung unang panahon. And we're also bringing you to Rwanda because of the apparitions in Rwanda.
Ano po yung nangyaring apparition sa Rwanda that might interest our Marian pilgrims po?
By the way pala, yung the one who got the apparition is also there. Physically, nandun yung taong yon. And maybe
buhay
you
pa
can...
po?
Yes, buhay pa. Yes.
So may experience po ng mga pilgrims na... Kasi di ba yan ang inaanap nila yung mga... At least buhay pa po yung pinag-appearan doon sa apparition. Yun. So nakaka-excite itong African
yung Kibeho na tinatawag. The apparitions at Kibeho.
Yun. So ayan, parang mas strengthen palalo yung faith natin siyaan, di ba po? Okay, yung iba pa po, sinabi naman yung Mexico.
Oh my God. Mexico's one of my favorites.
Talaga
I call it the colors and spices of Mexico. So beautiful. It's so colorful. Although, of course, some people have second thoughts because of what's happening now between the U.S. and Mexico. But otherwise, Mexico is such a fantastic destination.
Yes.
Really. That's why we always have that at least here, once or twice a year we have it. In fact, there are more requests for Mexico next year.
Okay.
And by the way, next year, okay, this is something we're doing. We're doing Lenten specials for next year.
Ayan, magandang preparasyon yan. Kasi
Yes.
yung iba po nga nag-message dito, naku Papa Awel, too late na for us to prepare.
We're already
So meron po for next year.
Yes,
So ano po ito?
Because next year, Lent starts early. It starts in January 28. And then I think Easter Sunday is April 5. I'm not sure. If April 5.
Okay.
So we're already starting to put Lenten packages
Okay.
between January to April.
Mhm.
Okay? And that is in preparation for Lent, right?
Opo.
Now, we have come up with a package, a Marian package for
Yes.
15 days, and that will coincide with the apparition of Our Lady of Lourdes, the anniversary of February 11.
Wow.
So the people will be there on the apparition date,
Opo.
and they will participate in the activities in Lourdes.
Yun, ako yan sa Lourdes,
that's
sa
a February.
France po
February
yan.
6 to 20, I think. That's the trip. And mostly, ang Marian kasi maraming umuulit dyan eh.
Opo.
Hindi lang yan once na pinupuntahan. Kasi sa dami din ang mapupuntahan mo dyan, it's always nice to explore other places. And
Yes.
kahit ulit-ulitin mo ang Fatima and Lourdes, and even Paris, Rue de Bac and Our Lady of, what do you call it, Miraculous Medal, right?
Ayun.
Sa dami, nabubulol na ako sa
Pero
dami.
alam niyo po, sa mga nakikinig po sa atin, wala pong kopya na hawak. Si Miss Arlina Onglao, kabisado niya po by heart. Habang nagkukwento po siya at pinapakita ang mga videos, lahat po ng sinasabi niya po talaga pong based sa memory niya. Kaya lalong bumili po sa inyo si Miss Teresita Atienza. Sabi, ang gaganda daw po ng mga package tours ninyo. At eto si Emilio Cortez. Nagsha-shoutout at kilala ka daw po niya nga po at
Hello,
natutuwa
thank you
siya
po.
sa iyo. Ayun. So, sabi ni Pen, yung apparition day po mismo
Yes,
sa February 11.
And
Okay.
then 168 years na yan by 2026. February
Okay.
11, 2026.
Opo.
So, we would like to bring
Ikaw
the
may
pilgrims
memorate
there.
po, aalalahanin
Yes.
yung araw mismo po para po sa mga nanonood, baka mag-akala nila, nag-schedule tayo sa araw na yun pupunta sila kasi may apparition. Hindi po. Kino-commemorate po natin yung apparition day sa
Correct.
February 11. Opo,
Correct,
opo.
diba? Yan Our Lady of Lourdes na
Yes.
February 11, feast
Correct.
day. So, nandun yung grupo on those dates.
Very nice.
And aside from that, marami pa kami mga bagong Marian pilgrimages.
Yes.
Hindi lang Marian, we call it the Sacred Shrines of, we have Central Europe 1 and Sacred Shrines of Central Europe 2.
Opo.
We will do that also as part of the Lenten
Wow.
pilgrimage. Kasi, we found out that we just finished with one last February, yeah.
Yes.
Because we celebrated there the apparition of Our Lady of Bano in February 20. So we
Opo.
brought a group there. And these people were formerly with us. They've gone to all our other trips.
Yes.
And one of them said, Arlina, sa lahat ng ginawa mong trip, etong pinakamaganda. Oh my God. Sabi nila, all the churches, every day is a wow. Talagang jaw-dropping. Lahat ng churches, kakaiba siya every day.
Yes.
And the trip was from the Netherlands to
Yes.
Belgium, to Luxembourg, and to Germany.
Wow.
And they were all impressed with the churches they have visited.
Opo.
It is really amazing, diba? That's why, repeat, we were requested to do a repeat of that
Yes.
next year, March.
Very nice.
And we're extending the second part of that, which will include, aside from Germany, we're doing Austria. Ay, nako, that's the country of monasteries. So, ang
Oh.
daming abbeys na pupuntahan dyan. And also Hungary and Slovakia. So,
Very
magkaka-connected.
nice. Nagba-vouch po dyan si Miss Ofelia Mastelero kasi yung mga national shrines daw po na mga pinupuntahan ay over 4 to 5 centuries na ang mga pinagdaanan.
They're beautiful.
At sabi ni Miss Teresita Atienza, bilib na bilib, ang galing po magpaliwanag ni Miss Arlina Onglao. O, di ba naman? Opo, sabi ko po ulit, ayan po, nakikita niyo sa TV, wala po siyang hawak na listahan. Ganon, kabisado niya po lahat. Miss Zara, gusto naman syempre matanong ng mga Gen Zs natin how they can enjoy the pilgrim sites na you go to tsaka yung mga packages. Kasi syempre, lahat po ba daw dasalan? Lahat po ba po simbahan? Opo, paano naman po yun ni
So
Zara?
actually, Papa Awal, yun nga po yung motto namin talaga.
Yes.
It's faith and fun.
Okay.
So hindi lang siya puro dasal,
Yes.
meron ding fun part, meron ding shopping, meron ding, when we go to Paris, we don't
Yes.
just go to the churches, we also go, of course, to the Eiffel Tower, to the other shopping places na pinupuntahan at pinipicturean talaga,
Correct.
the Louvre, ganyan. So, for me, ang pilgrimage talaga, hindi lang siya para sa ating mga nanay.
Yes.
So talagang na-enjoy din siya talaga ng mga kabataan. And I think what really amazes me is yung pupunta ka sa pilgrimage and then start parang ayaw magdasa, ayaw mag-grocery, ganyan. But then, through the days and through the experience, and then because normally we ask our pilgrims, and towards the end of the trip, like,
Yes.
ano po yung mga testimonials
Tama.
and sharings, when we are in the bus. And they would always say na, merong iba na parang, ngayon daw nila na-feel, meron silang na-feel in their heart. And I think that's the heart of a pilgrimage, when the Lord touches you in a personal way that you don't expect. So,
Totoo.
I think yun yung may ibang tao, they will be surprised as long as they keep an open heart and, listening ear. Kasi syempre, when you go through it na parang, naku, hindi ako may enjoy dito.
Yes.
Iba rin. But if you're open and the Lord touches your heart, iba talaga.
Ayan.
Kahit anong age.
Correct. Yung sa mga first-timers na sa una, ayaw muna magdasal hanggang na do-draw na
Oo.
sa kanila.
Hanggang sila na sabi niya, I wanna lead the rosary.
Sila na
Ganyan.
nagli-lead.
Dati, ayaw, parang nahihiya.
At sila na rin
ganyan.
nag-share ng kanilang mga testimonies.
Yes.
At marami naman doon, umuulit-ulit-ulit. They wanted to experience naman yung other sites and trips and destinations
Yes,
po
yes.
ninyo. Ayan, for the remaining time, paano sila makaka-join sa mga pilgrimages ninyo, lalo na ngayong paparating na October 26 to November 4 na Jubilee Door Pilgrimage sa Rome?
Siguro dapat magmadali na sila
Yes.
kasi ang dami na nagpo-book
Yes, opo,
Ayun.
opo.
So as early as now, meron na kaming core group. So then we have a few days kasi ang mga airline ngayon masyadong matipid sa number of days for the deadline. Otherwise, they keep increasing the rate of the airfare.
And
Ayun.
it's actually very easy naman po to reach us. So you can just message our Facebook, our
Yes.
Instagram, it's Journeys of Faith. And I'm sure po pag nag-message kayo doon, may tatawagan kayo. Just leave your message and your phone number,
Opo.
email address, and we will get in touch with you. Madali naman po kaming sumagot.
Okay. So sa isang madali ang pagpapaliwanag, kung kami po ay magjo-join po dun sa pilgrimage ninyo, ano po yung mga kasama dito? Kasi I'm sure hassle-free to. Alam na po natin yung X amount, kung ano yan, ano po yung kasama. Lalo kung Europe ito, syempre may visa. Paano po yung process? At ano yung mga inclusions, for example?
So, for our pilgrimages, normally kasama na po dyan yung airfare,
Yes.
yung hotel, of course, your private transportation, the bus, entrance to the sites. So, pati visa, of course, you can avail of our visa assistance services.
Yes.
So, lahat yan hassle-free. You can just, even travel insurance, we can issue it for you.
Yes.
So, lahat yan kayang-kayang isolve. Madali. Kumbaga, kailangan lang tumawag and register and then bayad.
Yun. Ganun. And maa-assist naman po talaga.
Of
At meron
course,
kayong
yes.
mga coordinators for
Yes,
each
our
pilgrim.
angels.
Hindi po lagi si Miss Arlene Onglao na kabisado ang lahat ang nag-aayos niyan. Di ba naman po? Ilang years na nga po pala po ang Journeys of Faith at kaano na po? Yes. Apa.
So we are actually close to celebrating our 25th anniversary next year.
Silver. So, ibig sabihin,
Yes.
matagal na po talaga
Yes
at
po,
tried and
matagal
tested
na.
Naku, maraming salamat po. Any message po dun sa mga loyal patrons ninyo at sa mga up and coming, those interested to join po, Miss Arlena?
We'd like to thank everyone who's been coming to us all the time. Many times they come with us. Some in our Hall of Famers have been with us maybe even 20 times or more over the years.
Yes.
So we would like to thank them in a special way for trusting us, putting their confidence in us. And so on our anniversary next year, we would like to make new offerings, something different, something that's not something off the beaten path, like the ones that I discussed with you on the Central Europe pilgrimages. So
Yes.
we'd like to offer that as our new package. packages, one of our new packages next year.
Thank you. Looking forward po and congratulations in advance on your silver anniversary next year. Miss Zara Onglao, social media page or website na they can visit. Ngayon na po kasi marami na nagtatanong right after this para mabisita po nila at makikita dun pa yung ibang mga other destinations po ninyo.
Yes, so you can reach us on Facebook and Instagram, and we also have a YouTube, Journeys of Faith.
Ayun, Journeys of Faith with an S. Yun naman po. Yun.
We'd like to welcome everybody to be part of the Journeys of Faith family.
Yes.
First of all, our family started this. My husband, Willie, and then our children, they're all involved in this. And we have our very loyal staff. And so we would like to all welcome you to the Journeys of Faith family.
Yes, special shout out to Kuya Luigi Onglao and Tito Willie Onglao at syempre yung mga families niyo sa Guam and all over. Ito po, may humabol na tanong, paano daw po yung mga nasa ibang bansa? Can they still join the pilgrimage
Sanay
po?
na sanay po kami dyan. We're just an email or a Viber or a messenger away. You can always send us and we can always reach you anytime.
Yay! Thank you very much again, Journeys of Faith, Miss Zara Onglao and Miss Arlina Onglao, of course. Maraming salamat, nakaka-inspire po at sana nga po, dun po sa mga interesado, please get in touch with them. Special shoutout po kay Josh, Kyle, Edip Official, tsaka kay Pen sa kanilang mga messages. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanood at nakinig sa atin all over the world. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa ngalan po ng Travel ni Awel. And thank you for flying on air with Radyo sa 630. Maligayang paglalakbay po sa Teleradyo Serbisyo. At sa ngalan po ng ating piloto, Gerson Cruz, kasama syempre ang ating flight purser na si Denden Cruz, ganun din sina Jimboy and Cabo, J. Vertusio, at mga flight attendants na sina Hannah Alquizar, Joyce Mansay, Mace Dayon, Zach Riveral, at JP Pasaoa. Ito naman po ang inyo rin pong piloto. Si Kuya Jason Jokno rin na nag-birthday recently. Happy birthday sa iyo. Hanggang sa susunod po muli na episode ng Travel ni Awel. Have a meaningful Lenten season. Ito pong Holy Week. Sana nga po ay manalangin po tayong mataimtim at magkita-kita po muli tayo next week. Susunod na po, TV Patrol Weekend. Ito po muli si Papa Awel Paz para sa Travel ni Awel. God bless us all!